Necessarily need specific tools to do any of this, as long as you have something that will work the same. I'm going to be using this small flathead screwdriver that I have. Alright, so your first step is you're going to take the pod out of your JUUL, obviously. You're going to take your flathead screwdriver and you're going to try and get it under this little black piece right here. And you don't want to put too much pressure because you don't want to snap those little things. So you just want to kind of like bend it up a little bit, but don't bend it too much, like I said, because you don't want to snap those. And then you're going to do the same for the other side. Okay. You don't necessarily need to do both sides, but it'll definitely help. So then from here, you're just going to grab it and you're going to wiggle it. And then it should just come right off. And then the next thing is this little rubber piece comes right out. You just kind of, you can grab it with your fingernails too if you have any. And there you go. Now you have this whole area to fill up. Then you're gonna take this little rubber piece, kind of get it in there. And then you're gonna take the cap, put it back over it like this, and then it should just click into place. And now you got a full JUUL pod.